Alright, what is going on, guys? It's DJ. Today I'm about to prank Nicole real quick. We're about to go see a movie, so I figured best time to prank her right now. She's obsessed with animals and she wants more pets and she just wants all the cute little creatures and stuff. So I'm gonna tell her that instead of going to the movies, I'm actually gonna take her to surprise her to adopt a pet. I hope she doesn't get too mad because she probably will be upset about this, but gotta do it. Alright, let's do it.
5 minutes later.
You ready?
Yeah.
Well, before we go, hold on. Well, we are leaving, but before we go, I wanted to tell you something because I knew it would make you happy. So basically, like, you know how you've been wanting like a bunch of animals and stuff, and
yeah.
Well, I'm not exactly sure what animal you wanted the most because you just love them all. But actually, I think I do, but that's besides the point. And you know how I told you we're going to the movies?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're not going to the movies.
What?
We're going to pick up the pet that I adopted for you.
What? No, you didn't.
Yes, I am. That's
No,
where we're going
you
right
didn't.
now. Yes, I am. That's where we're going right
You
now.
did not.
Well, I wanted it to be a surprise, so that's why I couldn't immediately bring it. Well, I could have brought it home, I guess, but I wanted you to be like surprised going there.
You did not do that.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. We're on our way to pick it up right now.
What? What? But
I'm not gonna tell you. I want it to be a surprise.
no, you have to tell me.
Well, if you guess, maybe I'll tell you. If you guess.
A cat.
Nope.
A bunny. A ferret.
Mm-hmm.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I got a ferret.
No, you didn't.
It's not a baby, but it's just a few, like, it's still like small and young. And he told me,
I'm gonna cry.
oh, gee, don't cry. Please don't cry.
Oh my
Please
god.
stop, don't cry.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
We're going
let's
to-
go. Oh my god. What does it look like? I'm literally crying.
What does it look like?
Can we go?
No, we can't go. I'm just kidding.
No, you're not.
Well, I didn't know you were gonna cry.
You're joking.
Yeah, I'm joking. I didn't know you were gonna cry though. I didn't know that you're gonna cry about it.
You didn't know I was gonna cry. You know I'm obsessed with animals.
I didn't know.
Yeah, you did know. How is that a prank? I really thought I was gonna get an animal, and now you're telling me I'm not.
You already have animals, and
I have
I
one
will
animal.
get you.
I have one animal.
Okay, but I will get you. I will surprise you soon, someday.
No, now I don't fucking want it. How is that a prank?
It's a prank. I'm sorry.
That's not a prank.
How is that a prank?
That's like me telling you, I don't even know, something that makes you super happy.
I knew you were gonna be happy, but I didn't know you were gonna be. I didn't know you were gonna get so happy that you cried.
Yes, you did. You know how obsessed I am with animals and how bad I've been wanting another one.
Okay, I'm sorry. Let's just go to the movie.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
No, come on. Oh my gosh. Hey. Well, that didn't go well. Better go talk to her.